Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you're a photography enthusiast or a professional looking to upgrade your gear, you're in the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best DSLR cameras of 2024. Let's dive right in. Number 1. The Nikon D850 is a game-changer in the world of digital photography, renowned for its exceptional image quality and versatile performance. Launched in 2017, this full-frame DSLR camera is celebrated for its 45.7 megapixel sensor, which delivers stunningly detailed images with rich colors and deep contrast. Its backside illuminated BSI design enhances low-light performance, making it a favorite among landscape and portrait photographers. The D850 excels in speed and precision, offering a continuous shooting rate of up to 7 frames per second (FPS), expandable to 9 frames per second with an optional battery grip. This makes it suitable for wildlife and sports photography, where capturing fast action is crucial. Its 153-point autofocus system ensures sharp, accurate focus even in challenging conditions. Videographers also appreciate the D850's 4K UHD video recording capabilities, along with 8K time-lapse shooting, providing stunning cinematic quality. The camera's robust build, featuring a weather-sealed magnesium alloy body, ensures durability in various environments. Furthermore, the D850 boasts a tilting touchscreen LCD, dual memory card slots, and extensive battery life, enhancing its usability and convenience. For photographers seeking a versatile, high-performance camera, the Nikon D850 remains a top-tier choice, blending exceptional resolution with remarkable speed and functionality. Number 2. The Pentax K1 Mark II stands out as a stellar full-frame DSLR camera, beloved by photography enthusiasts and professionals alike. With its 36.4 MP CMOS sensor, the K1 Mark II delivers exceptional image quality, capturing fine details and vibrant colors. The camera's advanced Prime for image processor and accelerator unit ensure impressive low-light performance, reducing noise even at high ISO settings. One of the K1 Mark II standout features is its Pixel Shift Resolution 2 technology, which enhances image clarity by capturing 4 images of the same scene and combining them into a single, ultra-detailed photograph. This technology is particularly beneficial for landscape and architectural photography, where every detail matters. The K1 Mark II also boasts a robust, weather-sealed body, making it ideal for outdoor photography in challenging conditions. Its 5-axis in-body shake reduction system compensates for camera shake, ensuring sharp images even when shooting handheld. Additionally, the flexible LCD monitor allows for easy framing from various angles, enhancing shooting versatility. With a reliable 33-point autofocus system, the K1 Mark II excels in capturing fast-moving subjects, making it suitable for a wide range of photography styles. Overall, the Pentax K1 Mark II is a versatile and powerful tool, perfect for photographers seeking high performance and excellent image quality. Number 3. The Nikon D780 is a versatile and powerful DSLR that seamlessly blends the best features of DSLR and mirrorless technology. Equipped with a 24.5 MP full-frame BSI CMOS sensor and the XP6 image processor, the D780 delivers outstanding image quality, excellent dynamic range, and impressive low-light performance. One of the D780's standout features is its hybrid autofocus system, which combines 51-point phase detection autofocus for viewfinder shooting and 273-point on-sensor phase detection for live view and video. This system ensures fast and accurate focusing, making it ideal for capturing both stills and video. The camera supports 4K UHD video recording at 30 frames per second with full pixel readout, providing high-quality footage for videographers. Number 4. The Canon EOS 6D Mark II is a highly capable and affordable full-frame DSLR, ideal for both enthusiasts and budding professionals. Featuring a 26.2 MP CMOS sensor and the Digic 7 image processor, the 6D Mark II delivers exceptional image quality with fine detail and vibrant colors. One of its standout features is the 45-point all-cross-type autofocus system, which ensures fast and precise focusing, even in low light conditions. This makes it perfect for a variety of photography styles, from portraits to landscapes. Additionally, the dual-pixel CMOS AF system provides smooth and reliable focusing for video recording and live-view shooting. The 6D Mark II also excels in video capabilities, offering full HD 1080p recording at up to 60 frames per second. Videographers will appreciate the vari-angle touchscreen LCD, which facilitates easy framing and shooting from different angles. Built with durability in mind, the 6D Mark II features a weather-sealed body, making it reliable in various shooting environments. Its built-in GPS, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth connectivity offers seamless sharing and remote control functionality, enhancing the shooting experience. Overall, the Canon EOS 6D Mark II is a versatile and user-friendly DSLR that provides excellent performance and image quality, making it a great choice for photographers looking to step into the full-frame world. Number 5. The Canon EOS Rebel SL3, also known as the EOS 250D, is a compact and lightweight DSLR, perfect for beginners and enthusiasts seeking a versatile and user-friendly camera. Boasting a 24.1 MP APS-C CMOS sensor and the Digic 8 image processor, the Rebel SL3 delivers impressive image quality with sharp details and vibrant colors. One of the standout features of the Rebel SL3 is its dual-pixel CMOS AF system, which provides fast and accurate autofocus for both stills and video. This system shines during live view shooting and offers smooth, precise focusing for video recording. Speaking of video, the SL3 supports 4K UHD recording at 24 frames per second, bringing cinematic quality to your videos. The camera's vari-angle touchscreen LCD makes it easy to compose shots from various angles, adding flexibility to your shooting experience. Additionally, the intuitive interface and guided display make it simple for beginners to navigate and learn photography fundamentals. Built with portability in mind, the Rebel SL3's compact and lightweight design makes it an ideal travel companion. Its built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity enable quick sharing of photos and remote control via a smartphone, enhancing convenience. Overall, the Canon EOS Rebel SL3 combines excellent image quality, advanced features, and ease of use, making it a fantastic choice for those starting their photography journey.